Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best car polisher available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Life Car Polisher. This car buffer and polisher offers a powerful yet controlled solution for restoring vehicle paintwork, effectively removing surface stains, oxidation, and dullness while bringing back a deep, glossy finish in a relatively short time. Its constant power control board is a key advantage, ensuring stable performance during extended polishing sessions while reducing the risk of overheating, which improves both durability and safety. The 7-speed variable control system adds impressive versatility, allowing users to shift smoothly between delicate finishing work and more aggressive paint correction depending on the surface condition and paint type. This makes it suitable for both beginners and more experienced detailers who need precision and flexibility. Ergonomically designed at just 4.5 pounds, it reduces fatigue during longer use, while the detachable D-handle and side handle improve grip comfort and control for different users. Next up, we have Lithopi Car Polisher. This 1600W car polisher delivers strong, consistent performance designed for serious detailing work, making it effective for removing oxidation, scratches, and stubborn surface stains while restoring a clean, glossy finish. The high-powered motor ensures durability and steady output even under heavy load, which is essential for long polishing sessions. Its 7-variable speed control ranging from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM adds excellent versatility, allowing users to switch from gentle finishing work on delicate paint to more aggressive correction for deeper imperfections. The inclusion of 3 handling configurations, direct grip, D-handle, and side handle, enhances ergonomics and control, reducing fatigue and improving precision during extended use. Additionally, the 7 different polishing pads provide a complete detailing system, with specialized pads for cutting, correcting, and finishing tasks, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Coming in at number 3, Albin Car Polisher. This random orbital polisher is designed to deliver a swirl-free, professional quality finish through its copper motion orbital action, which helps reduce paint damage while improving surface uniformity. With 6 adjustable speeds ranging from 1,000 to 4,500 RPM, it offers strong versatility across multiple detailing tasks such as sanding, polishing, waxing, and sealing. Lower speeds are ideal for waxing and buffing. Medium settings handle polishing and cleaning efficiently, while higher speeds are capable of removing oxidation and paint defects. The built-in safety behavior, where the machine may pause under excessive pressure at lower speeds, encourages proper technique and prevents surface damage, although it may require user adjustment. Ergonomically, the dual side and top handle options improve control and reduce fatigue during extended use, while the heat-insulating plastic housing enhances comfort in high-load operation. The included foam and wool pads expand usability across cars, boats, furniture, and metal surfaces. Now at number 4, Spta Car Polisher. This 750W eccentric car polisher delivers a solid balance of power, control, and usability for restoring shine across painted vehicle surfaces, while also being versatile enough for sanding wood and metal. Its constant power and constant speed system ensures smoother, more stable operation, reducing fluctuations during long polishing sessions and improving finish consistency. The 6-speed variable control, 2,000 to 5,200 revolutions per minute, provides flexible performance, allowing low speeds for waxing and buffing, medium speeds for polishing and cleaning, and high speeds for removing oxidation and paint defects. The Smooth Start feature further enhances usability by reducing sudden torque, making it easier for beginners while improving comfort during extended use. Ergonomically, the detachable side handle and D-handle design allow users to adapt grip positions for better control and reduce fatigue. Lightweight construction and easy carbon brush replacement add to maintenance convenience. And finally, our last pick, Niaskin Car Polisher. This cordless random orbital polisher delivers a clean, swirl-free finish through its dual-action 8mm orbital mechanism, making it well-suited for both beginners and experienced detailers. The absence of a power cable greatly improves mobility and convenience, allowing unrestricted movement during car detailing, waxing, polishing, and scratch removal. Its 6-speed motor system, 2,800 to 5,800 revolutions per minute, offers strong versatility, while the integrated LED display provides real-time feedback on both speed level and battery status, improving control and usability. The low-noise operation and effective heat management further enhance comfort during use, although the built-in overheating protection may temporarily shut the unit down after extended high-speed operation, requiring short cooling breaks. Powered by dual 21V 2000 mAh batteries with a fast charger, it supports longer detailing sessions suitable for sedans and SUVs alike. At just 3.3 pounds with an ergonomic grip, it reduces fatigue and improves handling. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.